Hey guys, Retro Badger here. So in this video, somebody requested that I put the USS Defiant up against the Klingon Kvort class. So here we go. Now as we all know, at least in my opinion, the Defiant in British Commander Remastered is the most accurate representation. So it'll be interesting to see what happens here. We've got 2 photons on the back. Do I cloak? Do I not cloak? Alright. Just gonna wait for those torpedoes to reload and then ambush them. Right, which side? The problem with this ship is trying to figure out which way's up. Right. Alright, so I'm on the bottom there. So we need to get on the other side. Oh yes! Critical strike! Look at that! That's how you do it.
Sir, their aft shield is draining.
That really hurt them. Well, there's nothing to say we can't cloak. Haha. Look at that. I wonder if there was battles like this between the Klingons and Romulans at some point where they're just constantly using the cloaking devices against each other. Although I believe the Romulans' cloak was actually based on the Klingons. Like the Klingons shared their technology. Bizarrely. You can see why that alliance didn't last long. Should we go for it? Oh, hang on. Point blank range. Wow, look at that.
Their bottom shield. Target's hull has been breached, Captain. Target's hull has been breached.
Wow. What a battle.
Simulated
Well, I like that
enemy
explosion
ship has been
effect.
destroyed.
What a
That's
battle.
it. We got him.
Well,
Sir,
the
we're
Defiant
left
reigns
behind for
supreme
large
again.
debris.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.